Have you ever heard of a drone that drops bombs to save lives? How about a drone that flies in to save a heart attack victim? And how about this drone, which could actually save you from drowning? Well, it's time to sit back and check out 6 unbelievable ways that drones can actually save lives. When cardiac arrest occurs, brain death and fatalities can result within 4 to 6 minutes. In the European Union, due to an average emergency response time of 10 minutes, only 8% of cardiac arrest patients survive. Now Dutch graduate student Alec Momont of Delft University of Technology has proposed the TU Delft Ambulance Drone, a drone that will fly autonomously to deliver a defibrillator and other medical supplies inside of a 12-kilometer zone within 1 minute. This life-saving drone also carries a live stream camera and voice system for verbal instructions to those on the scenes. Future applications could include systems for respiratory, diabetes, and a host of other traumas. Drone delivery of medical supplies is mostly needed in countries with poor infrastructure and challenging terrain. Zipline Medical has developed Zip, a robotic airplane to carry vaccines, medicine, or blood beginning this summer in Rwanda. When blood or supplies are needed in the field, a healthcare worker can place an order by text message and Zip is quickly dispatched to the area. Launched with a slingshot, Zip has a tremendous range and can cruise at 100 kilometers an hour. When Zip reaches the healthcare facility, it lands or drops the supplies by parachute. This summer, Zipline will deliver all blood products for 20 hospitals and healthcare centers, positively affecting many lives. Never to be outdone, this year Google obtained a patent to develop drones that provide emergency medical services. They envision fleets of drones assigned to specific areas, configured to communicate with mobile devices. Their plans include drones that can assist with choking, trauma, and cardiac emergencies. Through the use of drone technology in medical emergencies, people who might have otherwise met their demise can now be saved. When there's emergencies like structure failures, building fires, mine accidents, natural disasters, or other emergencies, first responders may not be able to access the areas where victims are possibly trapped or incapacitated. To address this, Forefront Robotics, led by Dr. Alex Ramirez Serrano, have developed the Navigate. This drone is designed to go where people or other vehicles can't go. The Navigate's dual rotors enable this drone to hover and pitch at 0 speed for delicate maneuvering in confined spaces. It can also self-navigate by creating a map of the search area without GPS input. With its onboard camera, the Navigate can avoid obstacles, seek out and locate victims, and relay their location back to rescue workers. By using its internal sensors, the Navigate can even monitor and report a victim's vital signs while workers attempt to reach the area. The Navigate was a finalist in the 2016 Drones for Good competition. The Philippines are unfortunately prone to natural disasters such as strong storms, floods, and even earthquakes. While aerial vehicles have been used to assess damage in daylight, it's been left up to humans with lights and large machines to search at night. Recognizing this problem, a Philippine drone company, Clear Skies, has created Project Quago, a multi-purpose drone that can operate day or night. Quago, which is Philippine for owl, employs advanced technologies such as satellite navigation, position broadcast, and auto takeoff and landing. It can also detect and avoid obstacles, including aircraft. At night, it carries thermal imaging cameras to detect heat signatures of victims on the ground. Quago was also a semifinalist in the 2016 Drones for Good competition. Avalanches claim the lives of hundreds of people every single year. Even though rescue teams are well trained, the struggle to locate victims beneath huge amounts of snow can be almost impossible. Now, with the Altura Zenith drone from Netherlands company Aerialtronics, the potential for saving more lives has arrived. Designed to balance speed and lift, the Altura Zenith can both carry daylight and infrared night cameras. Infrared cameras are able to detect heat signatures beneath the snow, allowing rescue workers to pinpoint exactly where victims are located. Another drone to the rescue. Speaking of avalanches, these natural phenomena claim the lives of alpine sports lovers all around the globe. And until recently, authorities have had to manually place explosives in strategic spots to blast off excess snow from mountain slopes. This is an extremely dangerous job and has been known to injure workers from untimely explosions. After losing a friend to an avalanche, one group of ski buddies decided to make it their mission to take action themselves. Back in 2013, they launched Mountain Drones, Inc., a drone company based in Telluride, Colorado, with the mission to create a drone that could drop an explosive in the exact spot needed, saving time, money, and lives. Their latest drone, the Prospect, would also be able to measure snowpack depths and density from the air, helping determine what areas are at risk for slides. Federal regulation authorities still don't permit drones to drop anything while in flight, but Mountain Drones are moving ahead with testing anyway. Though many challenges remain before full operations can begin, these hero drones hopefully will soon be on the job. Japan's Fukushima nuclear plant disaster that was caused by the 2011 tsunami remains one of the worst disasters of modern times. Since then, the monitoring of radiation levels has been placed on workers, putting their lives in jeopardy. Because flying manned aircraft over the affected areas could potentially expose pilots and crew to radiation, drones are now being envisioned as the safest option. The University of Bristol in the UK has been extensively working on this problem. Now, through the spin-off company, Imatech, they've created the AARM project, or Advanced Airborne Radiation Mapping. The project's goal is to create drones capable of monitoring and mapping radiation to ensure that no one else is exposed. Their latest AARM drone has been tested in the UK, Romania, and Japan. The results have been so effective that the AARM drone took 6th place in this past February's Drones for Good competition. With the AARM's radiation detecting abilities, governmental authorities will better have the capability of determining radiation levels in order to prevent more people from being unnecessarily exposed. Each year in the United States, about 4,000 people die from drowning. Worldwide, the numbers are even more staggering. While the numbers drop dramatically when a lifeguard is present, drowning remains a leading cause of unintentional injury or death. With the advent of drone technology, many attempts are being made to create drones to act as lifeguards. Iranian company RTS Lab has developed a drone that could save multiple lives at once. Known as PARS Rescue Robot, this lifeguard drone can carry and drop up to 13 flotation devices to potential drowning victims. Equipped with both regular and infrared cameras, this amazing drone can spot victims day or night. Bright LEDs make PARS more visible to the controller and victims alike. In August of 2013, in the Caspian Sea, PARS was tested in a race against a human lifeguard. PARS reached its target in about 22 seconds as opposed to the lifeguard who took 90 seconds to arrive, proving its immense advantage over human lifeguards. Perhaps one of the deadliest aspects of ocean swimming is a phenomenon called riptide. Riptides or rip currents are strong localized outgoing currents of water which can occur at the ocean or at large lake beaches. Statistics show that an average of 46 drowning deaths a year can be attributed to riptides, and that's in the U.S. alone. Now a group of students at King Low Haywood Thomas High School in Stamford, Connecticut have teamed up with Flying Robots, Inc. to create the solution. They call it Project Riptide, a life-saving drone accessory that can deliver and drop an automatically inflating life preserver to a swimmer in trouble in just seconds. What makes Project Riptide unique is the lightweight accessory which can be attached to the bottom of any drone, making millions of drones potential lifeguards. This accessory contains a regulation life preserver that is inflated by a compact CO2 tank upon contact with the water. Because any drone can be used, this system can be augmented by any device which the carrier drone provides, such as camera, GPS, or more. Hopefully, this project will inspire even more innovative drone water rescue solutions. Australia is famous for its unusual wildlife. Unfortunately, they're also famous for another wildlife-related issue: shark attacks. In 2015, there were a record 22 unprovoked shark attacks in Australia alone. In December of that same year, beach evacuations were ordered in Jervis Bay after 30 sharks showed up at one time. Australia's Westpac Bank currently funds 17 full-size manned rescue helicopters, but the expense of keeping them in the air is tremendous. So recently, Australia's government decided to take the shark spotting to a new high-tech level by announcing a program to create a fleet of shark spotting drones and listening station. The result? The Little Ripper Lifesaver drone, which is soon to be patrolling Australia's coastlines. Able to fly and continuously monitor coastlines for up to 2.5 hours before needing a recharge, the Little Ripper sends video feedback to a two-person controlled team. In the event of a shark attack, the drone can be commanded to drop GPS beacons, rafts, and even medical supplies to the victim or rescue team. Future plans call for increasing Little Ripper's artificial intelligence to make it able to identify various types of sharks, as some sharks are known to be more aggressive than others, and this will help authorities determine the risk to swimmers. With Little Ripper on patrol, the public will definitely be much safer from shark attacks. We hope you enjoyed checking out these life-saving drones. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe for more great videos, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Until next time, thanks for watching.